boom. Okay, go ahead.
Go
Go
ahead.
ahead.
Go.
What? Okay.
You want to have the
Roshan.
meeting?
The heck? Yeah,
You-
Roshan, you are the one who asked us.
I'll beat you up.
Tell.
there. I'll beat you up. there. Me? When? I asked.
Like, yeah, that's what I remember.
Tarun, you don't open your mouth. Alex, like, why dude? You
Okay, where's okay? I want everyone. Okay, where's everyone at?
Okay.
Let's go through everyone. So where's everyone at? Let's start with Roshu. Where are you at right now?
Jose or Rosh?
Geo.
You, Roshu, where are you at right now? Like, what's going on? Like, where, what's the progress? Can you give everyone an update? Like, what you've been doing? Try to keep it like 2 minutes, please.
So what I was okay, fine. So what I was doing is that the coming soon page had a lot of bugs. Yesterday was a weekend, but still put some time and finished the white. There was a white box. I don't know why. What's the reason? I have no idea. I fixed that and I set up the database so that whenever you this is now Tarun. So Tarun wanted a on the main page, coming soon page, he wanted an input element. He wanted a text field over there with an email, and when you click on notify, we collect that email and we inform them as soon as we launched. So I don't know how Tarun conveyed it to Pankaj, but Pankaj didn't know. He thought it was a button. He made it into a button. I did that change and I set up the backend and also the contactors form. I linked it to the backend, so we get the form. We get the form details and also some client side validation. So if you don't enter an email and you hit submit, or if the email if it's not an email or something like validation like that. That was my work from past 2 days.
Look at my zit on my forehead. Okay, cool. Awesome. So what's next then for what's next then?
So Pankaj, so let's start working on the front end, or like even I'll start like increase my pace on the back end. We'll have to get that started.
Very cool.
And
then-
next, Tarun and Roshan is gonna start with the designing part. But Alex, you told Tom to fill in while Tarun's not there.
Is that okay, team?
Yeah, that's
dude,
completely fine, dude.
dude, we are not doing the home page. We are
It
just
is-
doing the 3D section.
Yeah, 3D design.
Me
3D
and
Yeah,
model
Tarun.
yeah.
design,
I saw
that
the
part.
chat. Yes.
What happened in the chat?
Oh.
What's going on?
Tom and Rosh is gonna work on the 3D page.
That's what Alex told.
The department, 3D department page?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Oh wait, by the way, okay, before I forget, so Ashwin, do you mind introducing yourself to us, please, and just tell us like a little bit about yourself and everything? I'm Alex, by the way. Nice to find
Yeah,
you.
hi Alex.
Hi.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, so I'm basically a front-end developer. So yeah, I was doing this course past 1.5 months. So I want to finish it with the backend. So totally, I am gonna do front and back. So as of now, I have done the front end part. So that might be helpful.
In React, or
Yeah, in React. Yeah, in React.
you learned React pretty
So
quick.
yeah, that's good. React is good.
How
I
do you
find
feel
it,
about
yeah.
what Roche told you though about 3JS?
Yeah, that's what. So as of now, I'm going to stop it so I can focus on 3JS. After that, I might catch up with the backend.
Okay, cool. All right. Who's next? Jose. You know, I guess it's a Mexican name. Here in like California,
Yeah.
Jose's a Mexican name. It's a really popular name, actually. Okay, so Roche 2. Sorry, I'm smoking a joint, guys. I'm sorry. I'm smoking a joint. It's legal here. We're allowed to smoke joints, and it's legal in California. Sorry, that's what this is. Anyways, so what? So go ahead. So Roche 2, please.
Yeah, I'm basically doing nothing when I'm just waiting for Tom's design for the 3D part.
Okay.
And when he's done with that, I'll just show you a prototype as soon as possible.
Tom, how are you feeling about all that, by the way? Tom? Hello? Tom? Tom, how are
Okay,
you?
input setting. Just check your input setting.
I always think you guys are playing video games and shit. Hey, I love the man if you. Oh, hello. Hello. No. are you guys being all quiet and weird? Should I stop recording? Is it like we're
not that thing. I don't know. Tom's input setting. Something's
Tom,
wrong.
Hello.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah,
yes.
we can hear you.
how are you?
Yeah. So
Can you share
I'm working on that
Okay.
model things. So just kind of like sketching it a couple of models. So Alex, I just wanted to ask this 3D model page, right? So what are you gonna convey to the, what
It's up to Roche.
whoever's looking at the site?
No, he's like what jobs
it's
we're gonna
gonna
offer the
convey.
clients.
Yeah,
No,
so basically
no,
your
no.
services, whatever you want, right? You're the head of your 3D department.
Yeah.
But I'm not
Huh?
sure of it, dude. I was
But
planning
still,
to do some
we like
commercials.
I can only work on the models if you give me more details about the content. So like
Makes
rather than just making some random shapes and all, if you can give some kind of content, I could make something related to that, right?
Yeah.
So like we have now the MadMT page and all that. We are making computer models and all that. So yeah,
Yeah.
I
Roshan,
think
let's
that
fix that
we-
then.
So you mean
Let's
you need
fix
someone to tell you like what models to make?
No. He wants
not
it-
what models, or like what content are we gonna publish on our web, this
So,
3D model
Alex-
page? That's it.
Yeah,
The
so
what
like
is-
either
basically-
no,
That's
no,
up to
he's,
Roche.
wait. He's like whether what services are we gonna offer the clients the 3D section? Is that
Okay,
what-
yeah.
I told you that that's up to you. I mean, like I said that you're gonna be because I don't know much. I don't know enough to like. I mean, what do you feel? I guess what I'm saying, like, yeah, what do you feel comfortable? Like, what do you feel most comfortable? I guess.
Is it like environment design or character design or something else? Like,
That's up to you.
there are lots of things there.
Roche, can you help me? Roche number 1, can you help me? You know what I mean, Roche. Roche number 1, can you help me, please?
Help me know what was I
You know what to
gonna
say, like what, like explain to him, like you know what I mean?
Yeah, Roshan. So, what services do you want, dude? I remember you telling you wanted to provide 3D models first, just
Mm.
models, free models. Then, if Ashwin is ready, like if we'll test Ashwin with our MadMT's homepage, okay, with the implementation of
Okay.
3JS and all. If that is possible, we'll add another section for this one, 3D websites. We can do that. Then what else? So can you told you can export a 3D animation into videos, right?
Yeah, that is like I thought of a commercial, dude. Like
Yeah,
like something mixed-
advertisements,
Yeah, motion graphics.
motion graphics. So add
Motion
that. So
graphics.
now we have 3. Are you sure you want to do these 3? You're fine with these 3, right?
3 3D models. I don't think we can
First,
provide
yeah,
3D models.
that's there. But that has to be the base, right? Only if
If
you're
that-
able
though.
to. do-
Wait. I think like if you're gonna do all these 3, we should show them some portfolio, right? What are we gonna do
Yes,
with that?
your portfolio. You're the 3D modeler. You're the
My
lead.
portfolio.
You're the
Okay.
lead, right? Yeah.
Mhm,
Don't
okay.
worry, it's not gonna belong to MadMT. Once you leave, your part, your models will be yours. No problem. You
No,
or
no,
better than that, just provide the link to your portfolio. That's even better, right? That's what you did personally. That's your biography. And if you want, you can make some mock-ups for MadMT. If you want, that's up to you.
Roche, look at it this
Because-
way.
yeah.
Look at it this way. Your portfolio is gonna be the 3D page. Does it make any sense? Because for instance, people aren't gonna really care if they see a badass enough, like if they go on 3d.madmt.com and they see a really awesome model or like really awesome video, because I mean you have a chance to pretty much show your work
Mhm.
as
Yeah,
soon
I
as
get
someone
that.
you know what I mean? They're not gonna really care and go, you know what, this is really badass, but let me, I just need to go look at some past work too. If it comes to that, then it comes to that. You know what I mean? If they ask, then we'll give it to them. But like if they don't ask why I showed that, you know what I mean? My point being that like if you show it on there, that like it's like the same thing with us with our website. That's why we're trying to have a really cool homepage, because we're hoping that would be enough to be like, look, why does it matter what our portfolio, you know what I mean? This is what we can do, you know?
You know what? Can I share my screen for now?
Yeah, of course. Here, hang on real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
So I've worked on these previously. I didn't show you, right?
Oh, cool. Badass.
No, this is not done by me. See, this is what was given to me. And I made it to this.
Oh, cool. You added detail and like, yeah, you made it way better.
Yeah. And this was the concept art. So the problem is I have few works like this, like 2 or 3 very good ones. The problem is I've signed the agreement. I'm not supposed to share this anywhere.
Ooh.
And that's fine. And that's
Yeah,
what we can
dude.
say when clients ask.
Roshan, what I meant is not your work, dude. I mean, not your freelancing work, Kumi, which is signed for your personal work.
Dude,
To get
actually,
there, you had to show some personal models, right? Your
Yeah,
portfolio.
like kind of like
Those
artworks or
works.
something.
Yes, artworks. Yeah, your stuff,
Okay.
not what you signed. Did
Yeah.
for them.
okay, I
you-
made another thing which is similar to this. Even this one not to share. Wait, I'll show my works just a second.
Badass. We do need to find a niche though. I mean, like I agree because pretty much like
So these are
website-
some of my works.
yeah, those are awesome. That's amazing. That's perfect. Why don't you put this on Dribble? Why are you not on Dribble?
Dribble is a
Dude,
2D.
this is not that good. What I
Dribble's for
use.
3D. Yes, it is.
It's like a video, like motion graphic. You'll have to show the output. Like,
But you can show
Roshan, yeah.
stills like this though on Dribble.
Can do that, but Roshan, what was that website which you told, like for 3D people?
3D what ArtStation.
The Art Station. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it'd be kind of weird though to show like a disconnect from like Mad Empty. You know what I mean? Like
You know
Post
what?
pictures.
I have all these objects. I can make a video like what I did for the.
Even better.
we also remember, guys. We don't want to have to reveal more than we have to. Do you know what I mean?
Hmm.
Because like I said, someone could really like what you put on the website, and then they might look at like those grapes, for instance, and be like, you know what? I don't really like the style of those grapes. Never mind. Forget it. Let's find someone else. We don't want to make
Got it.
we don't want to make people think more than they have to. Does that make sense? If they ask us, hey, can we see some more work? Then we can have that prepared to show them. But like, if they don't ask and they're already interested in having us, why show them more than what we need to?
So what about this, Roshan? So
Yeah.
your 3d.madmt.com is just going to be a single page, right, with multiple sections. So in each services, what I say is let the we have three. One is only for 3D models, another one is for 3D websites, and another one for motion graphics. So these three sections make separate videos for these three. So the 3D model side, if when they reach the 3D model services part,
Okay.
there's going to be a background video showing your best 3D models. When you reach the next part of 3D websites, a video of 3D website of which one of what you did, so that
Okay.
you can show MadMT, or you can create a separate mockup. And when you reach motion graphic, just a plain ad, you can do that. We can use you can put our own. If you're doing one for MadMT, you can put the same one over there, or you can do a different one. That's up to you.
Okay.
So like a image sequence, it's easier for you, right? Instead of directly implementing it, image
Yeah.
sequence.
Okay, so Roshan, so I'm gonna help him on designing his portfolio page. That's it, right?
No,
Yeah,
don't think of it as his.
Not-
we don't. That's not how we do things. You know,
Mhm.
it's ours. Like like it's
Yeah,
enterprises.
sure.
Like it's
The
not.
3D page.
Basic, yeah.
Yeah,
And
we're all.
Tarun, and Tarun and Roshan, hey Tarun, did you finish our
Finished.
homepage, MadMT's homepage portfolio, 3D design?
Wait,
the
what?
model part. The model, dude. Like, what happened to MadMT.com? Where's the progress at?
Dude, I'm making this.
Okay.
Is that you, Rosh?
No. It's
It's a
not me,
video.
it's
It's a
not-
video. It's a
It's a
course.
tutorial. I've just followed.
Oh, I was like, what? I was like, is that you? I was like, what?
It's not
What the
me. eh?
heck?
You should see him in
Sorry.
real life.
She
Anyways,
saw me. She
anyways.
saw me.
Lemon.
Okay, I'm getting this done. It's almost done. Like I just it's all the spears are done. I should just render it out. That's remaining. You get any idea with seeing this?
No, is
I
it?
feel
an
like
infinite
we're
loop or
not
something?
taking. I feel like we're not taking our homepage seriously. Like it's like the most important part of the entire thing that we've been working on.
Makes sense.
You know what I mean? It's like the most important. That's like the mothership. So like, you know what I mean? Like that. Like for instance, like if someone like that's where all the advertising is gonna go. Everything's gonna lead to MadMT, and then from there, it's gonna be the portal to like 3D and like other things. Like, you know what I mean? Like the homepage is the most important part of the entire thing that we've been working on. And I feel like we're not really taking that as
I'm doing that with Tarun. I'm just not lifted.
no, but what's going on with that? Like,
Yeah, when he's ready, he's doing the design. I'm gonna join.
so
Join
Tyron,
with
have you been doing the design for it?
Yeah. Saturday I've showed you the
Okay, that's great.
prototype.
Yeah.
Can you show me?
Right? Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open Figma and share the screen.
Yeah. just a
Damn.
sec.
Max, stop it. I get that you're duck. Okay, I get it. I get it. Fuck. Max. No. Come here. I get it. Is that your ducky? Okay, okay. Come on. Okay, okay.
Farhan,
Yeah, sharing my screen.
PC is dead.
No. Are you not
Okay.
able to hear me?
No.
Yeah,
can't hear
you're
you.
audible.
Yeah.
Sigma's taking time.
I just clicked on share screen and it's like
Mm-hmm.
white. Ah, yeah. There you go.
Mm,
Mm-hmm. Now it's
okay.
I see what you did.
Hey, it's not opening. Like, bro. What can I do?
Fine.
Is it?
Okay.
This is the one I showed you that day, right? The same
Yes,
time.
this not that day, Saturday.
This
Yeah,
is the one.
Saturday.
This is the one
Mm.
you showed. Yeah.
Yes, okay. So where's the model on the right side? Okay, fine. It's
Yeah, the
visible.
model should be over
Okay.
here.
Okay. This is the
But
hero
then,
section.
if I put this model, it doesn't look good. We have to
Okay.
change the model. That's for sure.
Change the model.
So,
What? Like the color.
Change the color of the model. I'm so sorry. Yes.
That king's like, what the heck? You guys made me do it for about 3 months or something.
I don't like it. I don't like the background.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Not the back. It's the colors. Colors
Yeah,
of
it's
the
too
model.
much. It's too
Yeah.
much. It's too much. It's not clean enough. It's not clean.
Mm.
The website or the model?
The model's
The
perfect. No,
model.
it's
Model's color. Model's
yeah, the
color.
model. No, it's yeah, it's too much. It's like pink purple. Like there has to be. Okay, for instance.
Roshan, just whenever we tell model, just forget about the model. Think about the colors. Okay.
Because for instance, are we going to be putting stuff in the computer screen? Okay, like guys, our number, like the design rule number 1, what is it? Like we can't, it doesn't make any sense to have 2 colors of the same and then 2 colors of the same. The whole point is to emphasize, we're supposed to bring attention to the computer, to the model, right? With that background does not bring attention to the model.
Yeah.
At all. You know what I mean? So like, especially,
The-
are we going to be putting stuff on the screen? Like, did you guys figure out what we're going to put on the screen yet?
Not yet.
That's, yeah, I know. That's like,
Dude, what I have one idea. I can just show that. Wait, I'll just share my screen. As of what to put in the thing. 1 second. Okay. See this?
Mm-hmm.
See, I think we can make something like this for the screen there. It looks 3D, but no, it's not.
So what is it? It is
Uh,
3D, right?
I'm not sure. This is what they're showing. This is done in 3Js. It's there in that
Yeah.
course.
Okay.
it's
There
lagging.
and that.
It's too much. It's just too much.
No, it's just because of the zoom thing.
So-
It's not
okay.
lagging for
What
me.
about the restaurant thing? Remember like the little octopus? Okay, that little octopus thing like won awards of the day.
Okay.
But it wasn't just because of that. If you notice, see how it was very clean looking. It was very clean and the setup was nice. Because you have to understand, like we can have cool designs all day, but it's about UI and UX. Remember,
Mhm.
like the user interface, like how the user is going to interact with the website itself, like how they're going to feel like navigating stuff, like that's what's important.
No, I just give an idea like what we can make in this one. It shouldn't. It's not necessarily. That it
Okay,
should
what are you
be the
talking about,
same.
for our homepage or for 3D?
No, the 3D screens. I'm talking about the screen.
Okay, but for which site? 3D.madempty or
No,
for Madempty?
madempty.com.
Dude, the PC, the old PC. I'm talking about the screen for that.
PC's monitor, yeah.
The
Screen,
monitor
yeah.
thing.
See, I pictured us like in space. I pictured the computer in cyberspace. I thought the computer was gonna be like floating in cyberspace or something, and then we were gonna have like, see how Dog Studio, like when you like they use like light tricks or something on it. You know, it's nothing really more than just like. But I thought that's what it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like in space, which everyone loves space. It's the cool thing about space. It's a really good way to use colors. You know, like galaxies and stuff like that. Like, I don't know. Like, I just feel like I think that'd be kind of cool. I mean, they are electronics, and what in cyberspace make kind of sense, like where they would be chilling at.
Mhm. That makes sense.
Okay, what do you guys feel about that? Like, I mean, how would we go about that? T.
I like the idea of cyberspace.
Okay, can you Google cyberspace real quick?
Rush.
Let's Google it. Objects floating on space. Or no, just put cyberspace. Objects floating in space. No. Oh yeah. So okay, cyberspace. Okay. We can do lots of. Let's see. No, I was thinking like. Or it could just be space. I don't know, just like black space. Did you guys have like a black hole idea or something like that?
Black hole.
Remember the black hole idea, T and Roche, a while back?
The animation. Tarun?
Yeah.
Were we gonna
starting-
emphasize a black hole like when you log in a cake or something? Wasn't it gonna be like a
Like,
black
yeah.
hole like?
Yeah, that was just a loading animation for the cake. Yeah.
Or else can we make like a black hole like this kind of a thing and it's swirling around, just like a video in the background?
Yeah, I
Is
love
that
black
good?
holes. That's like my favorite. Like it's like I'm obsessed. Like I love Stephen Hawking and I love the whole idea. And I mean, think about it. Empty is a void if you think about it, and a void is okay. Well, they want to argue with me and say that a void's not really empty, whatever. But like my point being that yeah, I think the space would be a really badass theme. I think that's what we should base everything on. Is like kind of like an 80s futuristic like space theme.
Mhm.
Make any sense? Kind of no.
Hey, Roshan, type retro cyberspace or something.
Yeah, like retro cyberspace or like retro space or like just don't put cyberspace, just put space.
Cyber.
See, so shit like this kind of like, you know what I mean? Like yeah, like this exactly. Like see, kind of like this. Like how our models are. Like see that's cool. Retro space wallpapers. That one's really cool. We can do some badass stuff. You know, we have a lot to work with, like with this theme.
I
How do
like
you guys
this
feel
theme.
about that, Tom? Do you feel like I feel like you could draw? I feel like you could come up with some badass stuff for this.
Yeah, basically that's vaporwave. So don't you think it would be too overwhelming or something? I don't know.
Something like this, you know, like see like what's on the screen right now. So maybe something like that.
Uh-huh.
But I
Okay,
mean,
so
obviously,
like
obviously darker though, more black. Obviously, you know, to separate the computer a little bit. But like,
so with
as we
that
scroll down,
grid thing you saw, right? The grid thing and all. The grid, the topography of this mountain is based on a grid and all that. That wireframe thing, right?
yeah, we don't have to use a grid. Like okay, but for instance, we have to think about also too. Like once you scroll down past, we're gonna have to think about what's gonna keep going when you scroll down. So we can. That's when we can start implementing more colors and doing some cool stuff and things like that. But like as far as like when you first get on the homepage, I think it needs to be more of like more black, you know, to like for against the to go good with like the computer colors. That makes any sense? Like maybe black space with the computer colors, and then as you scroll down, I think we could do something like that. Like
Okay.
I don't know, like to maybe type in like a 3D space themes or like space website themes or something like that. Here, I'll do it. Let's see, I got it.
Mm,
Dude, I'm just stop my share. Just you guys share your screen.
Here, I'm gonna do it right now. Okay. Can you guys see my screen? No. Okay.
not yet, no.
No. Okay. Do you stop sharing yours?
Yeah, I've stopped sharing my
Oh, you
screen.
did? Okay. Why isn't it working? Okay, there we go. Okay. Can you guys see? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Space. Oh, there's Drupal. Let me see. Boop. See, there's kind of something like that. Oh, this
Oh.
is badass. Wow, that's cool.
Okay.
These are just like mock-ups. It looks like that's badass too. See, like this is perfect inspiration. You know, like something. Look at that. That's really cool. I love that. Something like
Uh-huh.
this is cool too. Look at that. This is neat. Parallax. That's what it's called. Parallax.
Okay.
That kind of style. This is really cool. I love this. Do you guys like any of these? Everyone's being so quiet. Like I don't like. Okay, let's see. Maybe like. This is kind of cool. Oh, Wix. Fuck that. No. No. Give me away. Why did it do that? It tricked us. I hate Wix. I hate it. Oh, okay. Awards. Damn it. Okay. Space. Creative spaces. No, it looks like we'd be the only ones on awards. It looks like. That's cool. Look at this stuff. This is badass. So yeah. So anyone, anytime, anything you guys want to say or no or
Just now, nope.
well, we need an idea. We need it because when are we
Well,
gonna start? When are we starting this?
I can come up with something by tonight or something. So
That'll be cool, man.
I don't want it to be
okay,
rushed.
so
or anything, you know, I don't want it to be rushed. I don't want it to be like, okay, we just like, I don't know how to explain it. I have an idea, like with, I mean, like I'll help you guys too with it. It's just like, but T, aren't you the designer or like what's going on? Because I know that T, I think what's going to happen is T wants to stick with just the website design. And I think that Tom's going to end up probably transitioning into like the 3D design. But like T's already made like a mock-up for it. So I mean, when, so like, how, okay, so like let's say that you do that part. So let's say you do is your part going to be hard like to do, like, so Roche, like after you do your part, like what's left for everyone else to do, like what's going to be left open?
My part?
A lot, right?
Yeah, a lot. They have to implement it. The design and the 3D model is gonna be done.
Yeah,
But,
you're just gonna implement the computer in there, right? So then what about like the filler stuff? What do we need for that? Do we need
What?
Lottie
what?
for, okay, so like let's say you implement the computer in, right? Like and your job's done at that point. So like what then is left to do? Is it gonna be like, what's gonna be like the filler, like the outer space part, like we're gonna have probably like 2D video like model, like what's that gonna be? Like Lottie probably, right?
I thought if you want to do that, we can just make a video like background in the background. If that's fine.
What was that one?
Like web in the WebM format. WebM, I'm not sure. Josh should be knowing that.
What?
Dude,
Web-
video is used in website. What is the format?
Can play almost any video, right?
Mostly they use WebM.
Yeah, WebM.
Yeah, I thought like in that type of videos we can play in the background, like for the stars and all. It or
Oh, for the stars, okay.
some kind of animation. I'm not sure.
Animation for stars. What else other than twinkling and moving around?
Okay, twinkling, that makes sense. No, like Alex wanted like when the 3D model is done, what's gonna be next? What's gonna be next?
I think she asked for fillers. I think what she meant to see, 3D model is gonna take some space. She meant like some like
What's
see for the
left? Like
terrain. Yeah.
like what's left? So like what's your part? So like your part in it's gonna be what? You're just gonna implement the, so like let's say that the okay,
So Roshan
so-
is gonna give us the 3D models.
I
3D
think
models with
that-
animations.
Wait, I think Tarun should be able to answer this.
T, what's up?
So yeah, Roshan is doing the 3D models and the animation, and I'll be doing the design simultaneously with him. And at the end, Roshan is gonna get the design and the animation separately, and he's gonna implement it. That's it, right?
Okay,
Dude, no.
Yeah.
What is gonna be after I do like the background and all? Who's gonna do that? That's what we asked for.
but that's what we need, the background. Okay, so like for instance, like you know, like okay, we have the computer there, and it's like look how cool this is. Look at this. This is really cool. Look at that. I love that. And I also really like look at that. Look, this is what we're good enough to have right here. Shit like this. This is what I want our website to be like. Something like as good
This
as
is
this.
2D.
It's interactive.
Yeah, it's 2D. Yeah. It's
You can
interactive,
interact
but-
with 2D like that?
Yeah, you can.
Are you sure? Because
I think it will be a bit much.
why would no.
What
What do you mean a bit much? What's that mean?
He means with the 3D models along with this, it's gonna be like
No. Oh, okay, that
smarter.
makes sense. No. I was gonna say like no, like there's gonna not be like this is like our website. This is like our career. Like this is like what's gonna determine if we're gonna make it or not. Like there's not gonna be, well, maybe this is too much. Like it's gonna be, we have to put everything into this. Like, I mean, everything's gonna rely on, like it has to be like, it doesn't matter if it's gonna take a while to do it. We have to do it. I mean, there's just no, this is gonna be our website. Like this is what is gonna make, this is what we're gonna be pointing people. It's gonna be our work. It's gonna be like who we are. I mean, there's nothing more important than that. I mean, it's just like, I don't know. It's just really important. Like this right here, this is really thought out. Like these, like this is really. What does it take to do something like this? This is really cool. It's just his portfolio, but I mean, like, how would
is
you
it
do something
like-
like that?
Interactive.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. I wanted us when we first started this. I wanted us to like specialize in interactive websites or like 3D like interactive websites. That's what I wanted us to do in the beginning because like we have to find a niche. You know what I mean? Like so like that's what I wanted us to do. But this is really cool. See, look, CT how they're using font like that
Yep.
as like the design now.
Yep.
What's the role of a designer? English. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. This is like really. What is going on? This
What
is
is
this is the website. How cool is this?
I really enjoyed making things, but I was getting very tired of making other people's ideas. And I was getting very cynical about the world of advertising. So
What is
a
he
lot of the
doing
work
with those
we were
water
doing
things?
was making TV commercials to try and sell products that
Look
I
how cool
didn't
this
particularly
is.
like.
Wow. This is so
Niveau matériel.
this is so freaking cool.
3-4 ans, le métier il a
We need to watch this,
complètement
Steve.
changé. C'est-à-dire que nous, les équipes qu'on a ont totalement changé.
Designer,
Parce
this is
que
about
si on
this is
veut
about
être,
designers.
faire du bon design dans une organisation, quelle qu'elle soit, hein,
What is he talking?
privée, de grande taille ou de petite taille,
I wonder if I can download it right now. Let's see.
It's another language.
You guys think
It's
I
a
can?
translator, dude. The app is a translator.
Let me see if I can. Let me see. Copy.
Dude, Zoom is so slow.
What do you mean?
Laggy.
It's laggy, yeah.
That's for sure.
What's laggy?
Zoom.
Look, it's downloading. Woo! My computer's lagging. I'm not lagging.
Zoom.
Zoom is lagging.
Okay, guys. So what else is like? What's next? I feel like we're not really like pumped up or like no one's really saying anything. So it's been like this for a few times. I know you guys don't really know. This is really cool. Look at this.
Draggable.
Well, remember that one site that we saw, guys, with like the elevator thing? Remember how cool that thing was?
Yeah.
That was really badass. That was really cool.
Yeah, that was really good actually.
Wasn't it? This is really cool too. Look at this. I love this. I love black and white. I have a feeling I'm really gonna like this. Yep. Guys, this is nice. Look. T. Yeah,
This is
how
what
would you guys feel about
But
something
then-
like this? I think we should do something like this with the font for sure. I think we
So like these are like simple sites, right? But
Yeah.
we have more elements on our side.
I know,
Dude,
but
I think
but this is
I
actually
think
hard
the
to do.
dots
Okay.
are-
See the setup of this. This is actually hard. So simplicity is actually harder than what you think. You know what I mean? It really is. Like, it's really hard to achieve something like T, huh? Like this design's good, right? But it's simple, but at the same time, this probably wasn't easy, right? Like,
It probably wasn't easy, but then the thing is, if we think about our side, actually Tom makes sense because
It has too
we
many
kind of have-
elements.
yeah,
Dude,
we have-
wait, is that background and that pebble or something? Is it interactive? The top.
I like how clean this is. I like how I would like ours to be like this clean, but like with our model, like if our computer model was right here, can you guys imagine that? Our computer model being like right here, and then like maybe like a little bit of light like in the background, and then like as you scroll, then that's when it like then these can interchange right here. Like I like how clean this site is. I would like our site to be simple like this. What do you guys think?
Yeah,
I
I'm
agree.
okay.
dude.
Simple, yeah. I agree.
You guys agree?
Yeah.
I like this. I love this. See how comforting this is? It's not too much. It's not too like overwhelming. Like I don't feel like I'm suffocated. Like, you know, I don't feel like and it's not too crowded. It's clean. It's nice. It's airy. Like I love this. This is actually a really good site. Like I don't know what the fuck that thing is. What is this? A bean or like what is this thing? I have no idea what that is. Like you guys what is this?
Just a random shape. That's what I see.
Salt and pepper.
I'll
But
be
could you guys see though our I could totally see though our
Dude,
our computer.
Wait. I
Huh?
think that's a 3D model with just the points visible.
But could you okay, but could you see our computer right here, like with the white and then like
Yeah, like similar to this. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
and then
it's
like as you as it interacts, there's gonna be like little light flickers or maybe like code could be wrapping around it or something. I always thought that would be cool for like code, like lines of code maybe to be like wrapping or like And actually, you know what I thought would be cool? I remember seeing this one site that as you scroll down like this, there was like it was like a noodle for like a Italian rib site, and like the noodle would follow you down as you would scroll. What if we had like a line of code or something like follow you down as you scroll or something like that? Max, stop. No, what do you guys think? Something like that, you know, like interactive like that, but also like simple or like.
Noodle in space.
Noodle is following you.
This is really look how cool their office is. This is really like, do you think that, see how they started? Like, you think these guys right here just were like, oh, let's just, like, they obviously put some effort into it. Now look where they are. Like, this really could, I know you guys think that this is not possible. This really could be us one day. It really could be. It really could, but we have to really try. I mean, like, that's just how it is. We have to put effort into it because we're competing with people like this. If we don't have a good website, we're not going to make it. Like, it's just not going to happen. No one's going to want to go to us. I mean, it's just, that's why this is so important, like, for us, you know what I mean? So Max, you're driving me crazy. Like, seriously, you're driving me crazy. Like, that's why it's like so important, like contacts. That's really cool. So as a designer, T, like, what do you have to say about, like, how were your feelings? Like, what was your mock-up that you had? Like, how do you think it could maybe work into something like this, how simple this is? Maybe like with, like, I love the like words, how like the words are. Remember when we first started this with Ash, remember like how the black and white would transition as you would scroll kind of? Right
Yeah.
here? Maybe something
Yeah.
like that as you scroll. But like how does, like, the thing that you made, is this enough room right here to like do that? Like to do like what you like what your
So
plan was?
the thing was, for our side, we wanted to have the snap scrolling. So the only animation is gonna stay over there and it's gonna play, but then the screen is gonna be constantly changing for each and every scroll. So what I showed you was just like the first one. So there are like 3 more to go. Did you get that?
Do you think this,
So
I mean, no, that's fine. Which first one? Which first one?
we can just order it. That's entirely upon us. So 4 different designs, and all of them are going to be on like different pages. Sorry, different scrolls.
Okay, different scrolls. That's a lot of scrolls though. See how many scrolls this is? Like, what do you mean? Like, it's like a different picture?
But then we are just gonna be having 4, right?
Or what?
4 scrolls. So snap scrolling meaning you scroll once, you go into the next part. So that we have a total of 4 parts on the homepage.
And what are they?
Just a sec.
Can you
They
share your
are-
screen? Can you share your screen, please, and show? Is that cool?
Yeah, sure, dude.
Okay, thank you.
Those 4 parts. Yeah, there we go. The one is introduction to MadamT, and then what we do, and then web solutions, meaning web apps and stuff, and then
Okay.
mobile first.
Where's
That's
the model go?
it. Depends on the background again.
Now, see, I like that. Okay, now see the site that I just showed you? Okay, now pretend that, but instead of the white background, it's black like that, just solid black maybe. You know what I mean? Something like that.
Okay.
It's because it's simple, it's clean. I mean, maybe like faint stars in the background or something, but like, you know what I mean? Just because I think that actually looks really good. What do you guys think? Just like I know this is honestly probably is just a designer discussion. So like, once we start working and stuff, this is going to be probably a designer meeting. Like, anyone that's not doing design, you guys don't have to be part of this. You know what I mean? It's like, so don't feel like if you're not answering the questions, like if you're in development or like if you're like front end, like don't feel like you have to, like, you know, like, or like even the 3D modeling, because this is more of a design team like meeting, I guess, you know. So don't feel like you have to answer or like, you know. Okay, go ahead.
I have an idea. Like, we need a loading screen, right, in the first for the models to load on the website. I think in that time we can show something as simple as what you told, what you just showed us. Just some plain text with some very simple design, and then when the loading is completed, it gets you to the models. How would that sound?
Just like Doc Studios.
No, Dog Studio has a little animation. What do you mean? Okay, I'm confused.
Okay, just go on to Doc Studios, bro. Can you do that?
Yeah, sure, man.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, this one.
I thought instead of just like circling or something, just make a very plain front page like what Alex showed.
No,
But they're
okay.
not gonna have time to
Like-
read it though. They're not gonna have enough time to read it though. Like, what's
Yeah, it's just not gonna stop after it's loading, like maybe a 5
Rather
second
than
gap.
just adding text, why not just add a model or something, just like this Fox running?
Yeah,
Just
I
add a
thought
3D
our-
model or something.
Yeah,
No, no,
I
that's-
thought our ME, I
no.
thought our ME logo would be cool. Like our ME logo as it's loading would be cool. You know, like that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, that's good.
I mean, what do you guys think though? I
Yeah.
mean, that's,
The same ME model with the particle design, right? So it
no.
shifts out of the particle and all that.
No, that's not gonna work because you can't load a video. You're gonna show something static, because if you're gonna load a
Okay.
video, it's gonna load. It's gonna take
Uh-huh.
time loading and then it will play. No, this should be instant.
I talked to Ash today,
So we
and
can't
Ash,
show any.
Ash said he could help us with the design too. By the way, guys, I forgot to tell you guys. Roshan T.
Ashish.
Yeah, I talked to him.
Oh.
Yeah, so he said he could even help with like the design because like that we need. I think they would be cool for him to help us too. You know, maybe like
That's nice to hear, dude.
yeah. He was supposed to get with us today. Actually, can someone try messaging him right now? Maybe like because he was supposed to get with us today. Actually, let me message him really quick.
So I'll stop. Rosh?
Wait, what? Talking to me.
No. The other Rosh.
I've got nothing to say.
Okay, so rush number one. So what do you think that what assignment do you want to give Ashton right now?
Like, see, if you ask me, Alex, I think our madmt.com, the homepage is our number one priority for now. So I
haven't
would
started
love
it yet,
to
though,
give
like,
assignment
yeah.
to him. Yeah, dude, that's why we have another designer up, right?
Who?
Ash and Tarun. Tom's with the other Rush gonna do the 3d.madmt.com, and when Tom's not up, Tarun can fill in the Tarun and Raj can help go with Ash and do the other madmt.com page.
You know how
Yeah,
Ash
that's
is like
okay.
Ash is busy a lot. Like I hope that he can join. You know, like to
Yeah,
help
dude,
us.
he's busy. Like we can talk to him. We can ask him when he's free. We can talk that out.
He was supposed to talk today with us. Okay, hang on. Let me see. Like,
Like if you ask me on what we should assign him to, I recommend the homepage, dude, nothing else.
but like let's say like today or tomorrow. Like, is there maybe like research or like, is there anything? What please?
Research.
Let me see. Or like something like because we're not okay. When are we starting the homepage tomorrow?
You can
So
start it
the
from today
homepage-
evening,
yeah,
dude.
dude. So our interns are done, dude.
Done now?
What's done?
Okay, for today.
What's done?
For today.
For today. Okay.
And you Tarun, you don't have classes, right?
No.
Yeah, dude. So our internals are for 3 days. So we are completely free after 4 p.m. Until Wednesday. After that, we are completely free for 1 month.
It's
and a half.
Thursday also because Kannada.
Okay, you have. Okay, yeah, dude, we have forgot. Yeah, Thursday. Thursday morning, right?
We have
In the
2
morning.
tests, bro, as if I remember.
Yeah, dude, we'll see. Something.
that's
So
no
until our internals get over, we are free from 4 p.m. Next week.
Hang on, real quick, guys. Hang on. Let's see. Okay, if you're not a part, let me talk to Roshan. I'm gonna if no one else, I'm gonna talk to Roshan Tom. I mean not Tom. Roshan T. If unless anyone else has anything else to say, or like what the plan is, like what anyone else have anything else to say or like anything. Actually,
Nope.
Actually, you know what? I forgot. Hang on, guys, really quick. Let's see. Oh, how's finals going? Are you guys doing finals right now?
Yeah, dude.
So you guys are studying and stuff?
Technically no.
No, just copying.
You're just copying?
He means cheating. Yes.
How are you guys cheating? You guys are taking it in person, right?
No, this is online test.
It's like you have to turn on your video cameras, dude. But then we still find ways to
Are you serious? You guys get to do
Yeah.
it on the really?
Yeah.
That's cheating. Where's Punky at?
Class is doing basic stuff.
Hey, hi.
There you are, Punky. Where are you? Where have you been? Oh, there you go. Basic.
I was in meeting doing some
No,
stuff.
yeah, you're playing video games, whatever. Look, so I haven't heard your opinion or anything, Mr. Basic. Is it because you think we're not being basic enough, or what?
Nah, I like the designs. So
We didn't even show designs. That was a trick question. Haha, you weren't paying attention.
I saw those new landing pages.
So you like the hang on, so you like the
The other one which you didn't like.
hang on, let's see. Let's see. So if I bring in someone really quick to get their opinion, like by the way, yeah, if you're not a designer, I think we can wrap it up. So I just need Roche and Tyron, and who else is designing? Probably Roche
Probably
2.
even, yeah.
Yeah, and Roche 2 and Tom, right? Or
Yeah.
Mostly everyone.
no, well, how can we have? Oh wait, Ash is writing back. Please. He changed his name to Ash. I love it. Come on, Ash. He's like, nope, I'm too busy being awesome. I miss him. I miss his hair. What do you think Maddie's doing? Being a lame ass? being lame somewhere in Germany. And you want to know something, Rich? You didn't even like him at first, remember? Like you hated him. You're like, I don't get this guy. He's so annoying. I'm like, oh gosh, here it goes. Hey, Rich, I'm gonna bring in your best friend, the one guy. Remember? Wait, no. Okay,
What is happening?
Ash said he's not available right now. Can we? Okay. So never mind. So everyone can leave. We're done with the meeting. So yeah, meeting
Thank
done.
you.
Meeting's done. So just T and Roche. Actually, yeah, just T and Roche. If you could just stay behind, just T and Roche, please. Let's see.
Okay.
All right, cool. You up? All right. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. I'm excited. Everything's cool. Everything's good. I'm excited. Yay! Woo! Woo. Okay, wait. Okay, here it is. Ash, dude, where is he? No one's gonna say anything. I feel so stupid when I talk and no one says anything. You know? Like, I feel so fucking dumb. Okay, here we go. Here's the Discord. Okay, Mr. Basic, goodbye. Mr. Basic, I love you, but goodbye. I love you, goodbye. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Ash. What's up, Ash? Ash, goodbye, Ashwin.
Ashwin.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye, Alex.
Adios. Roche 2. Okay, so let's see.
Wait, did you wanted me or the other Roche?
No. Just I was talking to just Roche and T. Just I need to talk to him about this. Has nothing to do with anybody. Yeah, we're good. But no, you just continue. So you and T, you guys have a plan then? Starting tomorrow, right?
Starting today.
Starting today. Okay, cool.
Yep.
Can I host it for you guys? And then because I want to be part of it. Is that okay? Because I want to watch you guys and bug you guys.
Okay, fine. Yeah, sure, dude.
Not
Wanna stay
even-
on the
We'll just
Discord or Zoom?
we'll start a new Zoom and stuff, but like I'm gonna be in and out and stuff like that. But yeah, why not? We can all collab on Zoom, you know?
Yeah, sure, dude.
Okay, cool.
Or why don't we just make our session in the voice channel of the general?
I
Because we
think
need to-
Alex wants to record it.
Yeah, we need to be able to see each other's
Okay.
screens and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's totally fine.
Is that cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yep.
Just to have it documented, just for like, just like the site, just for like stuff like that. Like it's just good to have it like, to show like our work and stuff. All right, cool. So you want to go and get that set up then? I'm gonna send a new Zoom link. Roche, do you have anything to say, or did you want to hang out and join too, or what? Like
When are you gonna send the link? Can we have it later in the evening? Because I'll probably go to gym and then I'll be back.
that's fine. We'll just do it later. Yeah, that's fine. I doubt I'll be able to host. Yeah, go to the gym, do your thing. Go to the gym and then So then I can do, okay, then I'll do, are you free? Then we can do it together then, Roche too.
What?
Do you want to start? I'll start with you then while T's at the gym. Is that cool?
Yeah, I'm free. I'm free.
Okay, cool. Roshan, what about you?
I have no idea. Like, you want me to for the design?
No.
Exactly.
But what are you gonna be working on again? I forgot.
Me, I'm gonna continue working on cake today because Pankaj's gonna start from today, right? So I'll have to increase my pace on cake.
Did Punky start on cake yet?
I told him on Saturday to start from today morning. I texted him today morning too. If you were even you were there, right? I don't know
Okay,
if he
yeah, 'cause
started.
it's
I'm
gonna have
gonna
to be-
text him. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, because we're gonna have the login and stuff once we start, right? Like once we launch.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. Well then let's just get, hey Roche too, let's just I'm tired. So you know what? I'm gonna start fresh with you guys tomorrow. So you guys just do your thing, okay?
Okay.
I'll just start tomorrow. I'm tired. I'm like, yeah, I'm tired.
No problem. Yeah, no problems.
All right, cool. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
See you
all
then.
right.
Bye.